Hi everybody, I'm back. Today I have a review of Nature's Whispers Oracle cards by Angela Hartfield and one of my very favourite modern day artists, Josephine Wall. And I was drawn to this one Oracle set because of the nature theme. I'm an earth sign and I love anything to do with nature, and also of course Josephine Wall. So this is the box, and it's a really nice sturdy box. There we go, and on the back shows some of the cards there. Hopefully the camera's focusing. So that is the box there, and as I say, it is a really nice sturdy box, and it's got a little booklet with it, and it's 72 pages. It's just telling you about how to lay the cards out and the meaning of the cards. So they're all numbered. There's 50 in this set. And it tells you about the artist and Angela Hartfield as well. So that's the little book. These are the backs of the cards. These beautiful butterflies. And I will try and go through them quickly for you. And say, if you know Josephine Wall, then you recognise this art is unmistakable. There's so much in these. When I got these, I spent about an hour and a half just looking at the cards, just seeing all the details in them. So I shall just go through and show you some of them. And say there's so much you can find if you look into these cards. There's just so much detail in them. Look at that. Higher ground. Be true to your heart. And there's, again, as I say, there's like a gramophone down here. There's a little nymph or a fairy coming out of there. There's some ships, some fish, there's birds. It's just peacock feathers. And then in this little looking glass here, there's another ship there, and that looks like she's holding a watch there. These are gorgeous. This one's called Pause. And I keep seeing little faces in them as well. And Celebrate Differences. You've got the unicorn here. You've got swans, fishes. This is a dolphin here, and there's another face in the river. A little city down here. Just gorgeous. And another fish up here. The little girl on the dolphin. Another face here. See, there is just so much you can see in Josephine Wall's art. And this one. And again, this caught my eye. It's like I don't know if this is supposed to be ocean or not, but it looks like land to me, and the ship is carving its way through the land. That's beautiful. This one. The birds and everything on it. Gorgeous. Catch your breath. And again, so much detail in it. Intuition. You've got all the animals down here. Fish and birds and penguins, horses, pandas. And the same up here, you've got a bird there, and there's butterflies. Just gorgeous. And then this one is Be Your Best Always. It's the mermaid on a seahorse. And the bubbles, which again is something that you can see a lot in Josephine Wall's art. You've got the fish here and angel fish down here. Maintain your childlike spirit. Gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? Amplify your positive emotions. And you've got the little fairy in the water, and there's, if you look close enough here, there's a little city under the water there. Isn't that gorgeous? Vulnerability. And again with the candles up here, you've got the little fairy asleep in a leaf. I love this one. Love be your beacon. Let love be your beacon. You've got the rabbits and squirrels. You've got the bird here. Just gorgeous. Keep your dreams alive. And again, another one that there's quite a lot in. There's like a tree of life here, and you've got the planets down here, and this is like crystals and rock mountains. The flowers, the birds, just beautiful. Fresh approach. Again, another gorgeous card. What's in it? You've got the animals in here again. There's some zebras there. I love this one. It's called Assurance, and for me it looks like there's the winter and the summer. This tree, I believe this figure might be Gia, and then you've got the maiden, the mother, and I'm thinking that this is the crone up here. It's fabulous. Be spontaneous. Clear out the old. And again, you've got lots and lots of symbolism in this one. See a little girl here, the owl, the rose. You've got the keyhole door going someplace, and then there's like a statue or something over here. You've got the blindfold, shooting star, gorgeous. So there's a lot could be read into that one. The big picture, adventure, leap of faith, breakthrough, and again this is another beautiful one. To me it kind of says to me this is someone becoming something else. It's like she's changing into a butterfly here. It's gorgeous, love that. And then acceptance of love. Hopefully the camera is focusing. This is a really, really gorgeous set. Empowerment, and again there's lots of imagery in this one. Butterflies and birds here. There's a little carriage here, like a sleigh being pulled by a horse, and there's some people down here. And you've got the moon, the sun, and it looks like there's an eclipse going on here. You've got the stormy sky and the cloudy sky. You've got rainbows and lightning and a stormy sea. So again, that one is, there's a lot going on in that one. Contemplation, and again another one where there's lots of things going on here. You've not only got the lioness and the lion, you've got the lady here, the butterflies. You've got like two worlds going on here, and then down the bottom you've actually got another lady here with a lion and all the beautiful flowers. And shift your energy. And again, you've got lots of different scenes going on. You've got the animals up here. And this gorgeous lady. Beautiful. And this one, open your heart. I think this one I spent the most time actually looking at when I was looking at them, because there's quite a lot going on here. You've got the kind of man in the background here. And you've got the swan, you've got the man's hand coming here from the swan's wings, and then I think this is the cracked egg, and inside there's another little person in there, and then you've got the solitary swan. This, I think that's what really drew me. I thought, wasn't sure about that bit. And then there's the moon in the background. It's a beautiful card. And then you've got perfect settings. Beautiful. Gratitude and appreciation. And the little girl there with her unicorn. And the moon with the rainbow colours around it. Gorgeous. Clear Endeavours. It's like a winter scene. Beautiful. Ideal Course of Action. You see she's got a lizard, salamander or something on her head there. Just, there's a lion and flamingos, and you've got the flowers, and there's a ship here. Polar bear. So much going on there. And culmination of vision. The two ladies looking up at the tree lady. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you've got the expansion. And again, this was one of the first ones that I looked at, and you've got the hands here. You've got a person on a deer. There's, I think, a couple of lovers down there in a boat. And then you've got the little city again, you've got the balloons, and you've got this lady here in the background. Just beautiful. And there's a castle way in the distance there. Fabulous. New experiences and possibilities. And this is like a vase. It's kind of like the Tree of Life as well, but I think it's meant to be a vase on a table. And you've got the lady on her horse there and all her flowers. It says summer to me, that one. It's beautiful. Seek Beauty. Another one that's just beautiful. There's so much staircase going up here, and it's kind of like got that elven look in the back there. The candles and the deer, the antlers. And another kind of winter scene here, and she's throwing out snowflakes. That's Infinite Blessings. And then Make a Wish. Again, gorgeous. And there's another little person up here, like a little fairy. And that one cute. Renewal of Peace. And you've got the forest animals looking at the little fairy asleep there. You've got the snail, the mouse, the hedgehog, the toad, the robin, and the squirrel. Gorgeous. And I can actually see a couple of faces here as well. The bluebells. Wonderful. Bountiful Harvest. Again, another one with quite a lot going on. You Are Worth It. Lots to see in that one. Make a Decision. And again, it's like the moon and sun. It's gorgeous. And all the animals in it and people. Gorgeous. Fabulous. And then Potential Gateway. Again, you've got all the animals here, like the Tree of Life, and like a doorway into the other place, the other world. And there we go, Be in Service. Gorgeous. So I'm really connecting to the artwork in this. It just says so much. There's so much beautiful detail in it. And again, another one with the animal themes. Look at that bird. Beautiful. Hope and Happiness. Isn't that gorgeous? I keep saying gorgeous, but it is. It's gorgeous. We love it. I love it. And the two little children here on their magical horses. Looks like they're riding on the clouds. That one's called Laughter. Heighten Your Vitality. That fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Maybe she's gorgeous for a change. Gorgeous. They're gorgeous. And the last one, Inner Truths. It's got all these little doorways to different places. There's a little city there. There's some little houses here. And of course there's the girl with the candle in this cave, and then there's the planets up there. It's just gorgeous. So that is the whole set, and there's a little boat there as well. and this is my first Oracle card set, and I am loving them, so I'm looking forward to working with them and seeing how we go. So I hope you have enjoyed seeing them, and I'd like to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and I'll be back again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.